The IMD has upgraded the warning of extremely heavy rainfall in Mumbai in the next few hours. Gusty winds will continue and escalate up to 120 kilometers per hour. The heavy rainfall has caused waterlogging in the financial capital, while gusty winds uprooted several trees in multiple places. Several residential buildings have also been damaged due to the winds. The Bandra-Worli Sea Link has been closed for traffic. The cyclone has also disrupted local train services in Mumbai. The airport has now been shut till 6 p.m. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has spoken to Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on the situation of the cyclone there.
I'm right now at the BKC area of Mumbai, and this is where a COVID center and a vaccination was set up. In 2020, the COVID center was made in the entire Wuhan style, wherein a lot of patients were treated here. But because of the entire cyclone that was to approach, the administration really had the foresight of really removing all the patients from here, closing the entire vaccination center, and they have really been proved right. Look at the condition of the center right now. The water, the entire entrance is waterlogged. The covering that was there on not just on this entire path but also on the tents that you see, they have all been swept away. In fact, the barricades that you see here, the gutsy winds that the city has witnessed, that has really put all the barricades out, and you can really see the difficult condition that this entire COVID center is in right now, and the vaccination center, which is the reason why most people feel that it will take a while before all this can be really restored, before the vaccination center and the COVID center can really start again. With cameraman Praveen Patil in Mumbai, Vidya for India Today.
Around 55 personnel of the NDRF have been deployed at Juhu Beach. This is a critical area, but not just the Juhu Beach. These personnel have been deployed all across the beaches in Mumbai. NDRF also says Mumbaikars need not panic at this point of time. They will respond proactively to all the calls from not just the city side, but the various suburban side, and also for all the calls from various COVID hospitals as well. It is predicted that as the day progresses, Mumbai could see heavy rainfall. There is a prediction of strong winds as well, and that is the reason why various personnel of the NDRF have been placed across the beaches and various city and suburban sites. NDRF also says that they have reserve teams as well. In all, NDRF is giving the message right now that Mumbaikars need not panic, but they also need to consider the ground situation, and for that they need to stay indoors. With camera person Rakesh Talaskar, this is Goencho Patrao in Mumbai, reporting for India Today.
Well, no panic.